गुड मॉर्निंग सेवन्थ क्लास। आज हम लोग एसएसटी का चैप्टर नंबर 9 द मेकिंग ऑफ रीजनल कल्चर्स पढ़ेंगे। One of the commonest way of describing people is in terms of the language they speak. When we refer to a person as a Tamil or an Oriya, this usually means that he or she speaks Tamil or Oriya and lives in Tamil Nadu or Orissa. We also tend to associate each region with distinctive kinds of food, class, poetry, dance, music, and painting. Sometimes we take these identities for granted and assume that they have existed from time immemorial. However, the frontiers separating regions have evolved over time and in fact are still changing. Also, what we or understand as regional cultures today are often the product of complex process of intermixing of local traditions with ideas from other parts of the subcontinent. As we will see, some traditions appear specific to some regions, others seem to be similar across regions, and yet others derive from older practice in particular area but take a new form in other regions. The changes and the development of Malayalam. Let us begin by look in a great an example of the connection between language and region. The Cheras kingdom of Mahabodhipuram was established in the 19th century. The southwest part of the peninsula, part of present-day Kerala. It is like that Malayalam was spoken in this area. The rulers introduced the Malayalam language and script their inscription. In fact, this is one of the earliest examples of the use of a regional language of official records in the subcontinent. At the same time, the Cheras also drew upon Sanskrit traditions. The temples theatre of Kerala, which is traced to the spirit borough stones from Malayalam dates about the 12th centuries, are directly indebted to Sanskrit. Interestingly enough, with 14th century text that the Ilkhan with grammar and poetics was composed in Manipravalam, literally diamonds and corals, referring to the two languages, Sanskrit and the regional language.